If you've ever thought about becoming a real estate agent, you've probably asked yourself this question: how much can I actually make as a realtor? And if you're hearing everything from barely anything to six figures easily, you're not alone. If you want honest, real-world breakdowns of the real estate career, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I share what actually looks like behind the scenes. I'm Kenna, a real estate agent in Southwest Florida, and today I want to give you a realistic answer because the truth sits somewhere in the middle. Here's the short answer. There is no income cap in real estate, but there is an effort cap. Your income depends on a very few key things: how consistently you work, how quickly you learn the right skills, the support, training, and systems that you have in place, and how well you follow up with people. So let's talk numbers in simple terms. Most agents are paid by commission. That means when a home sells, a percentage of the sales price is paid to the agent and then split with their brokerage. For example, on a $400,000 home with a 3% commission would be $12,000. Now here's what many people don't realize. You don't need hundreds of transactions to make good money. If an agent closes 2 homes a month at an average price point, or about 20 to 25 homes in a year, that can translate into a 6-figure income depending on your market and structure. But let's be clear, this is not automatic. Your first year in real estate is about learning how to generate leads, how to have confident conversations, and how to follow systems consistently. Agents who treat this like a hobby usually earn hobby-level income. Agents who treat it like a business can build real momentum, even in year 1. I've seen brand new agents earn very little their first year, and I've also seen brand new agents earning over $100,000 because they have the right guidance, accountability, and a daily action plan. So how much can you actually make as a realtor? As much as you're willing to build for, and as much as you're willing to learn. If you want more videos breaking down a real estate income, career paths, and what it really takes to succeed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're thinking about getting licensed or want to know what that first year really looks like, drop a comment or reach out and I'm happy to help.